Honey-baked plantain rolls. A bread from Saint Kitts and Nevis. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Turn on oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and boil plantains in their skins. Peel and cut into lengthwise strips, making about 5 strips to 1 plantain. Step 2. Roll up each strip lengthwise. Fasten with a toothpick if necessary. Arrange in a greased baking dish. Step 3. Melt fat, add lime juice and mix well with honey. Brush the plantain rolls generously. Step 4. Bake until golden brown about 15 to 20 minutes. Brush with the remainder of liquid after first 10 minutes. For variety, roll a small sausage in each plantain strip. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.